In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add intersection in Elementor. So in order to do that, first head over to elementor.com. Make sure that you have an account. If you don't have one yet, click on this Get Started right here. Or if you already have one, head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here. Now, once you're done from there, we can head over right here to our WordPress.com. Make sure as well to create an account from here, or if you don't have, head over and log in. I already have an account on both of those applications, so let me head over and log in. Now this is the actual website that I'm creating using Elementor WordPress. In order to add an intersection, you need to head over and click on this plus icon in order to add an element. And then from in there, you just need to add a grid. So just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. I'll head over and put it right here into the bottom. Here it is right here. As you can see, it looks like a grid right now. So what we can do is we can reduce its columns into 2 and its rows into 1. And this is what it looks like. So you can edit this particular intersection by creating some grid outlines, adding some items, adding gaps, auto-flowing it, and you can also head over to the style in order to change its style. You can add backgrounds, overlays, borders, shape dividers, and even when you head over right here to the advanced, you can see that you have option to tweak its position, and you also have the option to add motion effects, like for example, scrolling effects, mouse effects, sticky, as well as entrance animation that you can choose right here. Now onto this part, you can also add some more elements. Like for example, let's add heading right here. And in here, we can also add in here image for other part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.